Welcome to Survival on a Budget Made Easy. We're going to be doing chicken in the crock pot. It's my first time doing this. If you want to learn more about it, I'll be right back. Okay, welcome back to Survival on a Budget Made Easy. Now, I found this out on the internet. I've never done it before. And if you're going to fast forward through the video, I think it's going to turn out good. I got to be honest, at this point, I really don't know. But I do know if it turns out good or bad, I'm going to go ahead and put it up on YouTube. Okay, I have this on low. It's been on low for about 5 minutes or so. Okay, just using some extra virgin olive oil. Now it says, well, I already washed the chicken off. And I know it's not the best looking chicken, but it's Thanksgiving and I'm thankful for it. And it said about, you're not supposed to lay it right in the crock pot. It said about these aluminum foil balls, almost said about the size of a golf ball. I made 3 of them. Put them in there like a triangle. And I'm going to be using lemon pepper seasoning. Now, I never use lemon pepper seasoning on the whole chicken, but I used it the other night on some legs or thighs. Forget what I used it on. But it turned out pretty good. So we're going to go ahead and do that. Now, this is approximately a 5-pound chicken. I'm going to go ahead and cover it. Give it about 4 hours. We'll come back and check on it. Because on the internet, I've read between 4 and 6 hours. We'll see how it does. It's been 4 hours. Let's go ahead and take a look. It really doesn't look done. It's starting to smell really good. And I'm sorry, my camera just steamed up. But just by looking at the cavity, you can see it's just quite cooked. So let's go ahead. I'm going to go ahead and do it 2 more hours. Okay, it's been a total of 6 hours. Now, I looked again on the interweb, and I must have read the instructions wrong. It's 4 hours, well, 4 to 6 hours on low. I mean on high, I'm sorry, on high. 8 hours on low, and I'm cooking it on low. And the skin's supposed to be like a rotisserie skin chicken. It's nowhere near that. So I'm going to go ahead and do it another 2 hours. Okay, we're at the 8-hour mark. And it smells delightful. I think I'm going to take it out. I read somewhere about them sticking it in under broil to crisp up the skin. Because just by looking at it, you can tell it's done. It's really shrunk too. Let's go ahead, get it out, toss it in the oven under broil. Okay, I'm not real sure how to get this out of here, to be honest. But we're going to try to do our best. Oh. Yeah, I seen that. They said in the video is fall apart. I gotta be honest. It's falling apart. That's a nice chicken breast right there. Now, to be honest, this kind of reminds me of chicken. That you did for chicken noodle soup. I'm just surprised how good that chicken breast looks. And they made a lot of broth. You make gravy out of that, I guess. Let's go ahead, stick this in the oven under broil. We'll take a look at it. I'm not sure how long I'll let it in, but what I'll do is I'll start a timer or a stopwatch and time how long it takes me. I had it on broil high. It was in there for about 3.5 minutes. You can see where it started to burn a little. So next time what I'll do is maybe put it on low and try it. But I can honestly say this smells amazing. And sticking it in and broil, the skin did get crispy. I mean, you can just see how juicy that is. I mean, oh my God. Go ahead, give it a little taste. Yeah. That's real good. Now, Blue Dog, he's right at my feet. We're gonna see what Blue Dog thinks of it. Nope, you missed it. Give him another little piece. Oh yeah, I think he approves. So we're gonna go ahead, get off here. I got a little more cooking to do, and we're gonna enjoy our Thanksgiving. Okay, now remember I did it in the crock pot on low for 8 hours. I'd go ahead and stick it under the broiler on low for maybe 2 or 3 minutes. But it really did turn out amazingly well. Okay, do me a favor, click on that subscribe button, and as always, thank you for watching.